In this video, we are going to learn how to do vertical and horizontal scaling in an Azure App Service. The idea is the following. Vertical scalability means adding more power to our server. For example, more RAM, more processors, more storage, etc. And horizontal scalability means having more servers running simultaneously. So let's see an example of this. Let's see that here I have this Blazor application running. Now this is in localhost, and as you can see, in my machine I have processor count 16. That is great, but this is in my machine. If we go to production, we're going to see that we only have one here in production. That is because of the server plan that I purchased. But what if I want more processor power? Maybe I want to handle more tasks concurrently in the server. So in that case, I can scale up. So let's come here to the Azure App Service, and let's come here and let's write scale. And here we have scale up, which is vertical scaling, and scale out, which is horizontal scaling. Let's first come here to scale up. And let's see that in here we have several options, and we have selected basic V1, which only have one vCPU. But if I want more processors available, I can say, for example, basic V2. And that's it. Let's click on select. And while this is being done, if you want to learn more about how to develop .NET applications in the cloud in Azure, buy my course today. There is a link with a discount in the description of this video. Alright, so back to the tutorial. So we are here, let's come back here, and let me refresh. And we're going to see that now we have two, which means that indeed, we're able to scale up our application. Now let's do horizontal scaling. With horizontal scaling, we can have several instances of our application running simultaneously. So let's come here to scale out. And let's see that here we have active instance count, which is 1, which means that we only have one version of our application running in production. What if I want to have 2? Then I can select manual here, and I can say 2 here. Save, and with that we have scaled horizontally. Let me refresh, and let's see that indeed it says active instance count equal to 2. Of course, we have several more options here, like automatic and rules-based, in which you can define rules that are going to make our application scale automatically. For example, if we are using too much CPU, we can decide to add more servers while the load is high. Once the load comes down, then we can automatically shut down those extra servers. But there you have it. Look how easy it was to scale horizontally and vertically in an Azure App Service. Thank you.